time now is 4:25 p.m. at the same date, 24th of September 2020. This is just an update of the concrete pouring I've done a couple of days ago. So that's the boundary wall concrete. And there's a cabinet here, so probably tomorrow or Saturday I'm going to pour concrete, put some shutter at the back and shutter in here, and then pour in the top. So that's an easy job for me to do on tomorrow or Saturday, depends on weather, because today is just a bit of raining. And as I told you many times, or a couple days ago, so this is the subsoil drain I'm going to put in here, but this is just a temporary. I'm going to put sand bedding underneath, and sand bedding all the way. But I have filter sacks to put in before putting the sand envelope. And here is the outcome of pouring I've done on Sunday. So it's nice, very smooth. So the reason for this awful joint, because there's a lot of grout dripping in that area. That's why there's a lot of like a sand exposed. And this one here, so not able to pour concrete. But I was thinking if I'm gonna put grout in here or just leave it as it is to serve as a whip hole, so that the seepage coming from this retaining wall will pass through here. Anyway, we have aggregates or gravel on this area. Yeah, so yeah, gonna be busy tomorrow or Saturday, depends weather permitted. I can put the block out here for to clean out, similar to this or similar to this one here. And I can start putting the Formworks for the stormwater drainage all the way from here to that side where the pencil mark Latino board. Yeah. Alright. So basically what I have done today is just stripping of shutters or Formworks. And by the way, I put these nails in here, so it serves as like a temperature bars, just like a key as well. So I'm going to put nails there as well, nails in the bottom, underneath, I mean the nails in here, so it will serve like reinforcing, so it won't move. Yeah. And this is what I'm going to put for the subsoil drain cover. I bring this today because I thought I can do the installation of subsoil drain, and this is the pouring I've done on Wednesday. Yeah, yesterday. Yeah. So once this completed, once this covered, I'm going to put more barks, and theoretically all the seepage coming from this retaining wall will flow underneath, because there's a cavity in here. I just leave as it is. I'm putting sand or gravel underneath to filter the water going to the subsoil drain. Same thing on the other side there. Yeah, there's a lot of details involved if you're doing drainage works, because if you don't treat the water, your structure will become messy, because you can't stop the water, the rain, the runoff, the seepage. It will go on your pavement or concrete footpath. That's why this area takes a long time to finish, because it involves the subsoil drain and drainage, stormwater drainage, I mean. Yeah. Alright, my friends, I hope you like my small presentation, and I have to knock off now because it seems gonna be rain. So you can see the sky is all dark skies. Look at our cherry blossom on our property, almost full blossoms. Alright, thank you so much for your time. Please be safe, God bless, and I hope everyone's COVID free, and see you next time, and bye for now.